Today is Tuesday, July 9. It's 8:11 a.m. Eastern. And what you're looking at are levels that I've identified to trade against in the E-mini futures today. After the market closed yesterday, the spiders continued to move higher in the pre-market. After hours session, they're currently around 556.32. And at 10 o'clock a.m., Jerome Powell testifies before Congress today. And that's going to be probably a pretty big market mover. So 10 o'clock a.m. Want to be aware of where you're at. Not sure I want to be in a trade leading up to 10 o'clock, but we'll see. We'll come back to this chart after the market closes and analyze what happened, if the spiders hit these levels, and how the trades played out in the E-minis. See you then. And just like that, it's almost 7:30 p.m. So the spiders hit one level, this 556.39 level early on, hung around it most of the day, and did produce a trade. And playing by the rules, it was a long trade. I'll show it to you. I have a couple screenshots of that. But they kind of played games. Never got to the zone up here, never got down to this zone. So that was the only trade. And then 10 o'clock kind of came and went with not a lot of fanfare. In fact, there was more volume around 1:30 or so. I was looking at another chart earlier. I was only interested in taking a trade if they got to my zones or levels. Let's take a look at the one trade as I recorded it. These are just some screenshots of the E-mini chart stitched together. I'll start playing this. It goes by pretty fast. Starting the trade when I started taking the screenshots. And when they got up to my 4 points, they shot through. I've got one last shot here just of the SPY chart. There's a level, and I had the corresponding trade in the E-minis. That was it. I pretty much bought at the market. You could have sold short and withstood this, and because look, so 556.40, 556.80. There's your 40 cents or so. They spiked above a few times, but they would have given you a trade on the short side. Not that I would have recommended doing anything like this, but this level just was important. They hung around it, but the proper trade, according to my little rules on this, is to wait till after 9:45, and they were certainly above the level, and I went long and bounced and got $400. So not a whole lot more to show on this chart. Let's take a look at the tracking log. One base hit at this level without inventing any trades, just playing by the rules, and it's what I did, and you saw that as it happened for 4 points. So here are the numbers. Here are the percentages. Take a look. That's all I have to show today. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. We'll come back tomorrow and do this again, hoping to see some more volatility and some movement so we can pull some more points out of the market as time goes forward. Thanks. Have a great day.